back to my channel. I'm going to be making some iced coffee. I don't have any like almond milk or anything, so we're just gonna whip something up, okay you guys? Sugar-free caramel here. This is totally unnecessary, but I just want a little on the sides. And then we're gonna add our ice. About halfway filled with ice. And then now I'm gonna add my coffee. And then here's where you can add like almond milk, oat milk, whatever you like. I'm gonna just add 2% milk. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla. Like that. And I'm actually, you guys, I'm actually gonna do half of a cup of milk because I want more and it's not very full in here, so you can easily do almond milk though if you like almond milk. And then it's gonna be way less points. I think it's only like 5 points though for a cup of milk, so. Okay, it's not sweet enough, so I'm gonna actually grab something else. Half of a tablespoon of this because this stuff's really, really sweet. So let's test it out. Actually, we'll just do 1 full tablespoon and it's 0 points, so. And it's just skinny syrup. I'll link it down below. Oh yeah, that's really good. It's actually way better with the caramel stuff. Excellent. And then the last thing, got this last night. And a little bit of caramel. Here is my coffee. I will throw the points up on the screen because I'm actually going to do it in my Weight Watcher app. So yeah, I don't count the whipped cream, but I might today just because I want to try everything. I want to get a clean slate and I just want to start the new year off right. I feel like I slacked really bad in 2020, so I want to not slack in 2021. Be a great year and I want to lose this weight because I want to marry Jason and I want to walk down the aisle not looking like this. Not that anything is wrong with looking like this, but yeah, we're not getting married. I'm just saying, like when we do. Hoosier, my main why was always because I wanted to have babies eventually. So that is still my main why, because you know, sometimes you can't get pregnant if you're too big or like there's complications, and plenty of people do get pregnant when they're like at their heaviest weight a lot. Like I know it's very common, but me personally it scares the living shit out of me. So that was always my main why, and it still is. And also I just want to be healthy. I don't know, I just don't want to come with being obese. I've been obese my entire life. So I want to change it. But anyway, Hoosier, I'm gonna drink this. It's so good. I'm so happy with it. 1 tablespoon of that sweetener, you guys. Changed it. I will link that down below. Like a pack of them, the exact ones I have. I also get them at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, anywhere like that. I'm gonna drink my breakfast. This is my breakfast. You can also use teen coffee. That's initially what I wanted, but I don't have any Premier Protein or Quest, and I love the Quest. Oh my gosh, the salted caramel Quest is so good, but they're really expensive, so this is a perfect alternative. Coffee fills me up. I usually drink coffee for breakfast, so it's not like, oh my god, I didn't need to be super full, because when I first wake up, I don't want to be super full anyways. I just want a coffee. I want to sit down and wake up. So initially that's usually what I do anyways. So you can either have protein coffee or use just milk and save some money. I'm gonna put protein powder in it and just make sure you get like a milk thing that can like stir it really good. It doesn't have to be fancy. So I will show you guys what I eat next. I'm just tracking everything today. I don't have any groceries really. We're gonna make do with what we got. I've been craving like a sandwich. It's New Year's Day. It's January 1st. I'm actually going to get this video up ASAP, so this is in real time. Here I want to help you guys with some meal ideas. Love you guys, and I'll see you at the next meal. Hey you guys, so I just got done working out. I'm actually gonna make some lunch for me and Jason. So I'm gonna make some eggs, and then my other plan was this rice-a-roni. These are super low in points. I think they're 5 or 6 points. I will be throwing it up on the bottom of the screen, like my points throughout the day, so you guys can kind of follow along and see how many points I get on the blue plan. So I decided to stick with blue because I don't like to track eggs and I don't like to track fruits and vegetables. I don't really feel like I overeat on them. So anyways, so I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna show you how I make it and like what I'm doing, because it's absolutely delicious. I love rice and eggs. It's kind of like a stir fry, but like really lazy edition. And yeah, I've been eating it. So any Hoosier, let's make some food. And then these are super easy, you guys. You just fill it up to the line, throw it in the microwave, and you cook it for 3 minutes. Sometimes I cook it for 4 just because my microwave takes like forever, but super easy. Okay, you guys, so after you cook your rice-a-roni, I just put it in a bowl. This is literally so easy and it's so good. I used to make these when I went to like an office job too, because you just microwave them for like 4 minutes, 3.5 to 4 minutes, and 3 eggs in this. I normally do 2, but I made with Jason, so I just did the rest, or 6 eggs. Mix it up and eat it together. Stir fry, so it's really good. You could put a little butter spray on your eggs. I don't, just because there's so much flavor in the rice-a-roni. So yep, this is my lunch. I'll put the points up on the screen, and I am having a Sprite Zero with it. Super good. Highly recommend. Let me know if you guys try it. Yes, it's processed. Yes, I could make white rice, but this is what I got. Like I said, I don't have much groceries, so. Hey you guys, I just got ready quick. Not really, but I actually have a gift card to Target, so I'm actually going to run up and spend this on myself. My mom gave me a $50 gift card, so I want to shop. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna run up and I'm gonna get stuff to make dinner, so I'll share that with you guys here in a little bit when I get home. And then I'll show you guys what I get from Target. I'm not going to bring my camera because I don't want to pull it out or anything, and I just want to walk around for just a little bit, get a few things, and then also get food for dinner because I've been craving a quesadilla like I said earlier, and I might pick up a few other things. I will show you guys what I get when I get home. Yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know, I'm hoping maybe they have some good deals today just because it's like after Christmas, and I haven't been to Target since like before Christmas, so we're gonna roll on over there and I'll show you guys what I get. I might look at their clothes. I don't know. We'll see what I get. Hey guys, I just got home from Target. I wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting. I'm gonna start with the food. I spent like $80 and I don't really know how, but like I said, I have that $50 gift card for myself, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Some salted Quest for some protein coffee in the morning. The Quest ones are my favorite. They're only 2 points. For dinner tonight, like I said, we're gonna have quesadillas, so I picked up some cheese, just regular cheese. I do have like 20 something points left, so I get like 36 or 38 in a day. I have no idea how many points this is, but I picked this up. It's creamy queso sauce. I thought if it's good, maybe I'll put a little like Taco Bell does in their quesadillas. And then these are my favorite wraps. They are the carb counter, the La Bernita brand. I get these ones at Target because they're only 1 point per wrap. I think it's per wrap, yeah. So you can have 2 of them for 2 points. So it's super like point friendly. Just picked up some cream of mushroom just to have. 2 things of tuna. I figured Jason and I could have some tuna sandwiches for lunch. 2 things of canned chicken breast. I love canned chicken. You can definitely make real chicken and like shred it up if you like. I just picked up some bread for tuna sandwiches. And then best part now, I'm going to show you guys like the lifestyle stuff that I got from Target. I follow this girl on Instagram. Her name's The Court Report. I'll put her name here. You guys should follow her. She's super cute. I love her. Rants about these pixie eye patches, and I've been like obsessed with my mom got me some for Christmas, and I've been obsessed with doing them like every night under my eyes just because I haven't been feeling well, and it's nice and soothing. So this is the detoxifying one from Pixie. They're $24, but well worth it. I think everybody raves about them. So this was on sale. Some lip gloss from e.l.f. The retro Paradise line. It's new. We'll try it out. I bust it out now because my lips are dry. Let's try it. A moment. Let's see if it's like grainy because it looks like there's sparkles in it. It's not. I like it. Ooh, it makes my lips like tingle because of the glitter. Things. These were on sale for $10 in the section, the clearance section. That's why like you should hit up Target. They're just pajama pants. I'm actually gonna probably wear them like tonight. And they're like the waffle material. And they are tight at the bottom, which I like these because I don't like when they're loose because I'm so tall. XL. And yeah, they were $10. Super cozy. And they tie, so if they're too big or too small, you can tighten them. Brush sets. This brush set from e.l.f. for 14 bucks. Because I really needed some new makeup brushes. I was gonna get a set on Amazon for like 10 bucks, but I had a gift card, so I wanted to buy it. It came with a blush, bronzer, and highlight. But yeah, that's my little grocery and my little beauty haul. Anyways, I am going to chill for a little bit. I took that horse pill thing I was talking to you guys about for like the sinus, and it's making my like throat feel goofy, like super dry because it's drying me out. I'm just gonna chill for a while at 6:45, and then I'll show you guys how I make my quesadillas. Hi guys, so I am making some dinner now. I am cooking, this is the canned chicken I showed you guys earlier. What I did is put some salt, pepper, and then this vegan-less or vegan chickenless sodium salt. I just put a little bit of that on, and then I put a little bit of garlic powder and paprika. You could put taco seasoning too if you wanted to have like a taco season, but anyways, I wanted to just keep it simple. So once this is cooked, I'm going to come over here, and this is the machine that I got from my mom. It is a Express Southwest griddle, so it's super nice because it's not like normal quesadilla maker where like you have the, you know, like the 6 slits or whatever that like cut it. This one you can actually like cook food on, so I could have cooked the chicken on here. I'm gonna plug it in and let it get warm like it says, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So really quick, I just wanted to mention, just in case you were wondering, you do not need to cook this chicken, but when I do like quesadillas or anything with this chicken, I really like to cook it so I can add my own seasonings, and like the seasoning will cook into it. So that's a huge reason why I do that. You definitely don't have to, but just so you guys know. Bring me down today. You guys, I just put on some eye mask, that Pixie eye mask that I told you guys about, and I took a bath, and guess who dropped her phone in the bath? But it is recovered, it's doing good. I put it in rice, or Jason did for me, and it's doing good. But I actually probably am not going to eat anything else. I might just keep drinking some water. It's 11:30 and I'm actually wrapping Danielle gifts. So the lighting in here is really bad, but I got Danielle a bunch of stuff, and I thought that these were so cute. I might have already showed these, but I got her a wifey candle because she's engaged, and then this future Mrs. I'm gonna give it to her for Christmas just because I thought it was so cute. This candle is amazing, and then she drinks Herbalife shakes, so I got her some new reusable cups. A few other things already. I close this vlog out here. Hi guys, I'm just chilling. Jason is over here playing some video games, and I'm having a bowl of fruity cereal, Fruit Loops. I did say I was closing out the vlog before. Coming to you from the future, I did end up eating this bowl of cereal. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this what I eat in a day inspires you. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna keep drinking my water. I'm actually gonna take these off because they've been on for like 15-20 minutes. I just rub it in. I feel like they look good, nice and rejuvenated. Oh yeah. I'm gonna close up the vlog. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stick around. This year I have some plans to really hammer out my weight loss, and hopefully you guys can come along with me. Have a great night, great morning, whatever time it is. And I hope that this video helped you with some food inspiration, some easy food. And yeah, Happy New Year. Bye guys.